Lake Balaton unfolds like a fresh canvas, painting Hungary's landscape with the broad strokes of natural and leisurely splendor. As Central Europe's largest freshwater lake, Balaton is a symphony of contrast. Where chic beaches and high-rise hotels give way to the quaint charm of spa towns and the untouched beauty of volcanic hills. The lake is not just a body of water, it's a cultural phenomenon, offering everything from water sports to wine tasting. In the shadow of the Balaton Uplands National Park,